So hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to solder. As I want to solder my LCD 16-bit LCD with I2C module. So I am using 35 watt solder iron using flux and this soldering cleaning sponge. It is now in dry mode. I will wet it. So the purpose of using this flux is at the time of soldering it will remove the oxide layer on the pins and on the pads, and this flux you can use at the time of desoldering your components too. So as I have said, it is in dry now, so I am putting in wet place. I'm placing in water in a small bucket. It will be like this. Now it is completely wet. Then you can use to clean the bit of the solder iron by just doing this, just like simply scrubbing on it, it will clean. So now before soldering I am placing the flux on all these pins. You can see pins here. So I am just dipping it inside the flux so we can have a properly flux on it. And you can also place some flux on these pads. I am inserting this module this way. I am placing more flux on the pins of I2C module. So I have added flux on it. So to do soldering, I am just taking a solder on the bit of the solder bit and I am just touching the pin. To clean the bit of this solder, you can just do like this, scrub like this, and the solder bit will be clean like this. Do like this. If you don't want to place solder on this, you can directly touch the pin with solder. So after soldering, the pin will look like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.